Hello traders, the title of the video is Elliott Wave Review of Bitcoin. Alright, so I have been asked by a trader, alright, is it a dark crypto? Dark crypto did ask me to review the Bitcoin. Alright, looking at this chart on a monthly chart, there's not much to say talking about Elliott Wave analysis. So therefore, we will use other strategies to review the Bitcoin. So previously, we see that we have a multi-wave that is completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. All right. So from here, blah, 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 all the way up there. That was a trending fair. That was a multi-wave that is completed. All right. You can refer to our playlist of Bitcoins. Okay. And now we say to trader that we have a correction that is developing as the price start pulling back here. Now, when we go into the corrective phase, we can have a flat correction, we can have a zigzag, we can have a WSY wave, we can have a triangle, and so on and so on. All right. So what has happened so far? See that the price went down, one move down, and then stay in the triangle for a while here, and then drop down to the moving average 50. Now, when we see that the price, you can see that the price did not go below the moving average 50. This is the moving average 50 here. All right, which is telling us that the bullish momentum is still holding it a bit. But don't get carried away, because previously I was telling trader it will be better for this Bitcoin to come into the zone of 1998. All right, it didn't. All right, and that's why myself I stay away from Bitcoin from now. We want to see the dust to settle first. All right. This is my own view, all right? So I'm saying to you my opinion. So I would personally prefer that Bitcoin come back at least to 1198 or even below that. And then we start afresh, all right? Hopefully it will happen one day, all right? But so far, what is happening is this, okay? So previously I also said to trader that we see a normal price progression and a vertical price move, and I said to trader that when we have that normal price progression followed by a vertical price move, we usually see a retracement to the opposite diagonal. This is the opposite diagonal here. This red line here, that's what we call the opposite diagonal. It didn't retest that opposite diagonal. But if the price is trying to retest the opposite diagonal, there are other support levels before that. So you see, it was almost near the pink one here. So there were other support. Another key level that I forget to put on my chart. Hold on, please. So you see the vertical move here. This one here. Draw the median line of it. You can apply Fibonacci retracement to it. And then draw the median line. So I'm just doing it roughly. Stay with me, please. TMLLC come and help us with trading view. Alright, here it is. Somewhere there's a median line. What I'm doing is from here to here, I'm trying to draw the median line. Is done. I'm going to color that median line into green. Is the green good? Green. That's it. Watch out for that median line, okay? So, talking about Elliott wave trading, we are in a corrective phase. Is it going to be a flat correction? We will see. But don't assume anything. At this junction, I will prefer the trader concentrate on the key levels. You see, I have It's normal price progression, vertical price move. You see all this. And then we have the opposite diagonal here. And then we draw one horizontal line at the starting point. So you see this tendency bar here. Perfect. This tendency bar for the month of October 2017. At the low of it, we draw a horizontal line at 4239. All right. So between this opposite diagonal and that horizontal line, we have another median line, which is the pink line here. Now you can see that the price prefer the moving average of 50 and just find support on the edge of the moving average 50, and then it bounce up. All right. So what should I say to Bitcoin traders? All right. Whether you are a linear wave trader or a normal technical trader, we should be giving priority to bearish trading signal below this level, this one. 13461. Draw this line on your chart. 13461. See here, where I consider my vertical move stop. How you see how I draw it? I didn't put it all the way to the closing price, just leave it here. 13461. Draw it on the chart and priority to bearish signal below it because we are in a resistance zone. So if it goes above that level and find support, well, we can take it gently. Again, you see the shadow here, there was shadow here. So even though you are buying above that level, be a little bit cautious. All right, so priority to bearish signal below 13461 and priority to bullish signal above that level. If the price starts coming down, you see this orange line here is a kind of a 45 degree between the, you see, it's a vertical line and this horizontal line. That orange line is dividing those two lines into two, so we have like a 45 degree here, another 45 degree there, you see. So between the blue line and the horizontal line, draw the median line and you'll see this orange line. Recently, you can see that the price gently tried to retest it here after breaking above that median line. So if you are selling it, as some trader did recently, there is a support, which is this orange line here. If it breaks below that and find a resistance, watch out for this median line of that vertical line. You remember this vertical line here, the vertical move, the median line is at 8328. 8328. That's the median line. So draw the 8328 also on your chart. Prior to bearish signal below 13461, one is selling, coming near the median line. Be careful, there's a support there. If you found a resistance, the next support is at 8328. If you fail to find a support at 8328, there's another median line here. See this one, the green one here? That trend line. How did I draw it? The median line between this horizontal line. You remember the low of October 2017? That horizontal line. And the median line, this median line between the blue and the horizontal line. So, median line of the orange line and this horizontal line is this green line here. So those are the key levels that you want to watch. Those are the point where you're going to look for a trading opportunity. All right. So all in all, from the viewpoint of an linear way trader, a multi-way is completed, a correction is underway. When a correction is starting, you have to understand that there are Fibonacci pattern traders that will be talking about Gartley pattern, okay, crab pattern and so on. If that will be the case, so you will see here. So so I need to say this to you. If you are an Elliott wave trader, you want to understand also Fibonacci trading, all right? So I'm going a little bit deeper now. Am I allowed to go a little bit deeper? Now, this to make you laugh a bit, okay? PMLLC, where are you? I need your help for this trading view. I haven't been using it very much. I'm addicted to TC2000. Okay, here it is. All right. So, the Fibonacci traders, whatever, don't laugh. You are not allowed to laugh, okay, guys? Especially if you are very, very experienced. 1, 3, 4, 2, 8, wasn't it? This one, that's it. Or somewhere there, okay, you get it. All right, I'm talking about Fibonacci pattern traders. So this point, that's the point that we call point X. And then we call this point A for alpha. Done. X, A. So then they will be expecting A, so this will be A, so they will be expecting A, B, C, D chart pattern. By the way, there was some problem with the sound. Is it better now? Please let me know in the comment section. Have I fixed it? On my side, watching my own videos, I can see that it's not too bad. But let me know from your side whether the sound is better now. So it may form, okay, if it's going to form the Fibonacci pattern, it will be A, B, C, D. So you may say, Joe, what is A, B, C, D chart pattern? And I will say to you, go to www.stochastic. What am I doing today? Okay, I'm a bit crafty with this software now. I haven't used it for a while. But I'm getting there. So probably point C will be somewhere here. I'm not saying this is the point C now. I'm saying could be there, can be a little bit above it or something like that. All right, I'll go away from it. And the point D, somewhere up here, if I'm choosing my word very carefully, if we're going to have a Fibonacci pattern, I am not saying that we're going to have a Fibonacci pattern, but this is something that you need to be aware of as an Elliott wave trader. When we have the multi-wave and the corrective wave is underway, a lot of Elliott wave traders are fixated on the Elliott wave pattern. They are thinking of a flat correction, they are thinking of WSY wave, they are thinking of a zigzag, they are thinking of blah blah blah. And the Fibonacci trader will come in and take the ball away from them, like in a rugby game, and will play it, okay, A, B, C, D, creating either a crab pattern, a bat pattern, a butterfly pattern, all right, or so on, any Fibonacci pattern. And the Fibonacci pattern, we call this point the top of our multi-way, we call it point X for X-ray. And the pullback that we see here, at the end of it, we call it A. So if we start pulling back, Fibonacci trader will say, yes, this is point B, And we say this will be a point C, and this will be the point D. We will see. No more chart pattern trader. We say, George, we want to create a double top. So that's what I said to you, priority to bullish signal, to bearish signal below 13461, yes or no, okay? At the top here. So no more chart pattern, may just push it down all the way down, but we will see. Or it may continue to go up and going above. You see, if you apply Fibonacci extension to the price move up to the closing price, which I recommend in this case, apply Fibonacci extension up to the closing price. I can do it now. PMLLC, don't laugh. Trading view traders, don't laugh, okay? I'm a TC 2000 trader. All right, don't laugh. Well, somewhere. You see, I haven't forgotten everything, so you shouldn't be laughing, okay? Okay, this is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. You see, can you see here? This is the pink line here. 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. I need to explain to traders what I've done so far. And the green one here, 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. So the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level or the multi-wave using a conservative measurement is at a 18907. Okay, so drawing it from here to the closing price, not all the way up there. Your 138.2% is the pink line there. Okay, right there. Okay, so all in all, it's holding nicely. Bitcoin is holding nicely above the moving average 50, still going up. Okay, now we are at a resistance level at the 13461, prior to bearish signal below, prior to bullish signal above. If it start going down, be aware of this trend line that I already explained. Be aware of this median line that I've already explained. The median line of this vertical move, and also the median line between the orange trend line and this horizontal line. Take it one step at a time, trade on the edge, and most importantly, okay, use a different time frame trading method. Personally, hopefully one day they will pull it back to 1998. They will say to me, Joe, you are dreaming. It's not going to happen. Now, no financial instrument will go up forever because here you can see that it didn't touch the moving of 100. It didn't come down to the moving of 200. So one day, at one point, Bitcoin will test it moving of 200. Somebody may say to me, it will never happen. Are you a dreamer? One day, Bitcoin will come to it moving average 200. It didn't touch the 100 yet. We will see. So don't be disappointed if you think that, George, you haven't said too much. So multi-wave, correction on the multi-wave, all right, to the moving average 50, a bounce up. Are we going to have a flat correction, a zigzag, a WSY wave, a triangle, or a more complex corrective wave, a double zigzag? Or are we going to have a Fibonacci pattern or a normal chart pattern in the shape of a double top? If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been useful to you, you say, George, well, George, it's good. Give us the thumbs up, please. If you think that, George, well, I'm not impressed one bit, don't hesitate to mark it down. I want to know, please. However, if you think that, George, well, it looks amazing, feel free to share with your friend on the social media. All right. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Elliott, digit 2, digit 4, Elliott. More amazing tutorial. Another trader did ask me, is the PMLLC about copper? I note everything down, you see. I note it down. Everything is down. So I'm coming back slowly but gradually. I haven't forgotten you. Another trader did ask me about my secret of moving averages and in your way, which I'm a little bit reluctant to talk about in a public place, but we will see. So I note everything down. I have a book here. Can you hear? Yeah, everything is noted down. So thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about in your way review of Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.